with an amazing recipe with you guys. Okay, this one is going to be mango smoothie. Okay, mango smoothie. Long time I don't do something like this, and I want to share this an amazing, incredible recipe with you guys today. So yeah, hope you guys will just sit back and enjoy this beautiful recipe at this beautiful moment. Okay, yeah man. So it's gonna be a very simple one. It's not gonna be complicated where you guys um cannot make this at home. 100% you guys can make this. Okay, so yeah. And as I say, these kind of recipe I normally do them. I do them many times, different time over and over, but it's a recipe I like. Okay, yeah. So what we're gonna do, all right. So right here, as you can see, I got some blueberry. Okay, all right. So that's the blueberry, and we're going to put straight inside of the blender like this. All right, we're gonna put them in the blender. All right, make sure it don't waste. Nice one. So we got some mango. All right. So this is the mango, which you're gonna put straight inside of it. All right. All right. Mango and blueberry. We're gonna put roughly about half a mango. All right. I'm gonna put that straight inside of it. I probably is a medium-sized mango. Guys, these end up to be a lot. Okay, that's all right. So blueberry and mango, and then all right, we're going to put a piece of lemon inside of it. So it's blueberry and mango and lemon. All right, yeah man, fantastic and an amazing recipe with the blueberry and mango and lemon, or you can use lime, but I'm using lime. I'm gonna put it straight inside of it like that. Beautiful. Then what we're going to do next, I'm going to put a little bit of ginger powder inside of it. All right, not too much ginger powder, just a pinch of ginger powder. Excellent, Chef Ricardo. That looking good so far. We can use two things. All right. To be honest with you, we can use almond milk, or we can use water or regular coconut milk. So we're gonna put some almond milk into it like this. All right. Now the almond milk, which I'm gonna put inside of it. All right, guys. Let me see. We're gonna put roughly about 1 cup of almond milk in it. All right. Okay. Excellent. That looking good. Now we're gonna go for a blend. All right. And that's the way it look right here. So we're gonna blend this up, guys. Okay. Yeah, man. That looking amazing. Let's blend this. Let's make some noise. Again, in the kitchen. Wow. No, that is amazing. All right. I just finished blend it, and that looking really good, guys, honestly. Now take a good look at this. All right. And that's the way it looks. Mango and blueberry. Wow. Amazing. Different. The flavor and the texture is amazing. As you guys can see, that looking really awesome. Now let's pour it out. All right, we're gonna pour it out right here. Okay. Yeah, man. So this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna pour it out like this. Wow. That looking good and amazing. Look at that. Mango and blueberry. Wow. Awesome recipe with some ginger and lime. And we put some almond milk. Enjoy it, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. It makes a difference. Alright guys. Yeah man. And if you think you like this one, yeah, please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Can also make the difference. Sooner next time with more recipe. Bye bye.